Nice and peaceful this morning. We can't even take really any videos at our evening visits because of the cicadas. They're so loud. You can't even hear you can't hear anything. It sounds like construction in the background or something. There's our Gracie. Hi, Grace. And Party is home. Party was not home for a couple days and she scared the pants off me. Didn't you, honeys? And it's so great to have you home. She seemed to have had a little scare. Yeah. But she's doing okay. She's doing okay. Not quite herself, but she's getting there. Right, honeys? Right, my gorgeous girls. Hey there, Scout. Hey, Oj. Billy. Beauty. Alright, we better get serving. There's Ruby. There's Ruby and Grace is eating, and there's Gwen. And I left 2 bowls for them. Let's see what they do. I'd like to move them all over this way. I would. Hey there, Beaut. There's Party. There's Parties. Oh, honey, welcome home, honey. Welcome home, my little girl. Beauty, did you get enough? Love ya. Billy. He's eating it out of the can. Scout, did you need some moa? Baby cat? Miss Junie. Oh, there's Ruby. Go ahead, Rubes. Go ahead, Gwen. And there's our precious. There's our tinsel. Look at Party. She's so cute. She's standing on the floor and eating out of the bottom bowl. Cute.